Welcome to the Figurines de Collection YouTube channel. Today I am pleased to present to you a 1/6 Easy and Simple figurine, a Gurkha from the Royal Gurkhas Rifle Brigade in deluxe version. This prestigious unit joined the British Army after the Nepal campaign in 1814. The British were impressed by the tenacity of these outstanding fighters, who fought in numerous conflicts alongside the British Army. These soldiers are known for their Kukris, a distinctive heavy knife with a curved blade, and have a reputation for being fierce and courageous soldiers. This figurine is remarkable and of high quality. The box offers a rich content of equipment, 2 sublime weapons, the Kukris, the unit's beret, and a heavy backpack. I hope you will enjoy discovering this magnificent figurine and that the tutorial will allow you to assemble it in the best conditions. Thank you in advance for watching, liking, commenting, and I'll see you soon for a brand new video.
The history of the Gurkha Brigade dates back to the early 19th century, when the British Army fought against the warriors of the ancient Gorkha kingdom, now in Nepal. Impressed by their ferocity and bravery, the British began recruiting them into their own army in 1815. The Gurkhas have served with distinction in almost every major conflict of the British Empire, including both World Wars, the Falklands War, and the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. Their reputation for loyalty and courage is legendary. Recruitment. Gurkha soldiers are recruited exclusively from Nepal. The selection process is extremely difficult, attracting thousands of applicants for only a few hundred places each year. Units. Although famous for their infantry, the Royal Gurkha Rifles, the brigade is an integrated force that also includes engineering, signals, and logistics units. They are deployed all over the world, often for operations in difficult environments, such as jungles or mountains. Tier 1. The British Army does not officially distinguish between tiers, but the skill and versatility of the Gurkhas are such that they are often considered the equivalent of special forces for some of their missions. The Kukri. Their signature weapon and tool is the Kukri, a heavy knife with a curved blade. Every soldier carries one, and it is both a formidable weapon and a daily work tool. The motto. Their famous motto, "Better to die than a coward," encapsulates the esprit de corps and determination for which they are renowned.